Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet an easy baby blanket pattern. This pattern is called cable stitch and very easy to do. In this pattern, the front view and the back view are the same. For this pattern, I used Guksim Juliet yarn and crochet number 3.5 millimeters hook. If you're ready, let's start. For the beginning, I make a slip knot, then chain a multiple of 4 until reach the desired size, then add 3. I made 35 chains totally. Skip first chain and in second chain I make a single crochet and then single crochet in all stitches away. Repeat until the end. Okay, for row 2, chain 3 and turn the work. These 3 chains counts as first double crochet. Skip next stitch and double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3 double crochet. Okay, now I want to work over of 3 double crochets. Yarn over and insert my hook into the skip stitch here and pull a long loop and make a double crochet. This loop should encompass the 3 double crochets and be visible on the back and front of the work. Again, skip next stitch and double crochet in each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Now insert my hook in the skip stitch and pull a long loop and make a double crochet. This is front of the work and this is the back of the work. And repeat this sequence. Skip next stitch and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert hook in the skip stitch, yarn over, pull a long loop and make a double crochet. Okay. Repeat until the end of the row. Okay, this is the second row and at the end of the row I make a double crochet in last stitch. Chain 3 and turn the work and repeat the previous round. Skip next stitch and double crochet in each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. insert my hook in the skip stitch, yarn over, insert my hook in the skip stitch and take a long loop and make a double crochet. Again, skip next stitch and double crochet in each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over and make a double crochet in skip stitch. And repeat until the end. Okay, row 3 is finished, and at the end of the row I make 1 double crochet in 3rd chain. Chain 3 and turn the work. And again I repeat previous row until I reach the desired size. I repeated that row several times, and you should repeat until you reach the desired size. Notice that in this pattern, the 4 stitches that formed each cable stitch should fall on top of the 4 stitches formed the previous cable stitch 2 rows down. If your cables don't line up, you have either started in the same stitch as the chain 3, not skipped a stitch when you should have, or skipped too many stitches. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.